Hello, year 2. So this is the sound dictation, and you need your lined paper ready with numbers 1 to 8 written down the left-hand side. And remember, you can pause or rewind at any point if you need more time or to hear a word again. Number 1, cure, cure. Number 2, capture, capture. Number 3, figure, figure. Number 4, picture, picture. Number 5, injure, injure. Number 5, secure, secure. Number 6, manure, manure. And number 7, treasure, treasure. And here's your sentence. Don't forget capital letters and punctuation. And I've included some of your spelling words as well. The child hung the picture of the figure over the bath. The child hung the picture of the figure over the bath.